There are two reasons why the legal name of your business might differ from your brand name. One, you have chosen to use a DBA, doing business as, or what's also referred to as a trade name. We have an entire video on this. Second, you license the right to use another entity's brand name. A franchise is a great example. If you're the franchisee, then you likely formed an entity to own the business that you have franchised, such as XYZ Enterprises, Inc. But your customers won't know you as XYZ Enterprises. You will do business as KFC or 7-Eleven. XYZ Enterprises license the right to use the brand name KFC or 7-Eleven under the franchising documents you executed. The second reason is that you have created a parent subsidiary model for asset protection purposes. Here's an example. You own and operate multiple locations for multiple restaurants. To isolate the liabilities of Restaurant 1 from the liabilities of Restaurant 2, you decided to structure different LLCs for each restaurant location. Restaurant Location 1 is known as Lady Taco Howell Mill. That's my brand. Plan to scale it up. Gonna exit it one day, make millions of dollars. Restaurant 2 is Lady Taco Loganville. The brand name is Lady Taco. To prevent something called enterprise liability, it's best to perform a separate management company. Now you're dealing with 3 LLCs to own the intangible assets, the brand name, the operating procedures, anything else that is intangible for that business, and then license it back to each individual restaurant location. In this situation, you'll prepare what's called an intercompany license agreement, whereby each individual LLC will execute its own license agreement for the right to market its location under the overall brand name. This strategy becomes particularly effective when you have different owners in each location. You may, for example, give a small ownership stake to a general manager in Restaurant 1, but not in Restaurant 2. By separating out the intangible assets, the brand name, the operating procedures, into a separate management company, and then licensing it back to each individual LLC, you help bolster the asset protection.